Hey guys, I'm gonna try and get my Keldeo. Of course, people who don't play Pokemon Go, clearly don't watch this. Common sense. But I just gotta catch 3 water types. There's already 1. It's amazing. And I need this Charmander candy. Which will be difficult to get, but I should get it. And I got a decent amount of things yesterday. So I got Shiny Pidgey, Farfetch'd, and Shiny Chansey, which is amazing. But now we just gotta wait for water types and shinies. Oh, well, there's a water type. And I forgot to say, which makes me probably a bad YouTuber, I forgot to say, welcome to Kanto Celebration. Kanto? Yeah, I said it right. Kanto Celebration. If I said the wrong generation, let me know. Where's Kanto? Kanto? Johto? Yeah, I said it right. Oh, Charmander, you've been doing good to me. Don't let me down now. Oh, that Litten. I also need shiny Litten. So if I'm hunting for a shiny, it's Litten. But today is just not the day. I think he could need his candies. Really? Make a wait. This is so difficult. I'll take Shiny Pidgey. Honestly, pretty good. Pidgeotto. I love. Oh, there we go. That's your last water type needed. We can just check. Pidgey? No. Pidgey? No. Pidgey. Not even close. Okay. Charmander? No. We do need Charmander. So let's get almost over with. Do that and then I'll climb the Charmander real quick. Then of course I saw Bulbasaur in the background. But that is enough. I don't know why I'm talking. Yeah, I'm just gonna shush. I'll try to. This is a amazing event though. I'm gonna need to take a sitter. My God. 2 Bulbasaurs, really? Okay, hold on. Okay, Charmander, you're taking way too long. Of my time. Of my beautiful, deserved time. Yeah, maybe Ultra Balls is all that. I think I could sit here. I think sitting here is allowed. Oh my God. Oh yeah, sorry I haven't been posting. I think I made a short about why. Because school now is insane. It's mostly insane. Okay. Oh yeah, then we got. Ooh, Burmy. I'll take a Burmy. Now we gotta power up a water type, which there's a lot. So there's a big choice on anything. What about Wooper? Yeah, let's get a good. Actually, let's look for a water Hondo. I think there'll be one. I have to have a water Hondo. No, 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 no. Hold on. Sorry, that looked shiny. Nope, nope, nope. Oh my Lord. Oh, yeah, I have Hundo Psyduck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's an expensive boy, but it's worth for good old Psyduck. It's a Psyduck. That gets us, and we'll get our Keldeo now. I know it can't be shiny, so I mean, let's get it. Bam. First Keldeo. I gotta take a snapshot. Can I not take snapshots? Okay, I can. Now it's obviously gonna take 3 balls, which means on the last ball I'm gonna use a Pokeball. Since this is a mythical, new one for me, not a new one to a lot of people. Oh, this is a. Oh, I should have used the silver pineapple. I just realized. Oh, wait, what? That's 3 balls. Did they not do that anymore? No, they have to. Unless this isn't mythical. Do I actually have to? Oh, like that. No, that isn't good. That means I had to hit it. Oh my god. Please. Okay, never mind. It's not getting. Screw it. I gotta try though. I got to try. Finally, please. 2. Oh my god. No, screwed. It doesn't need extra candies. Just needs to be caught. Finally. Good old Keldeo. I think I was missing this in one of the decks that I needed. You know, that's what it was. So close to completing this one. Imagine. You know, usually they're bad, so I mean, yeah. But now, I can. Oh no, I just walked in the middle of the road for no reason. Because I had an idea and now I don't. Which is a valid reason. Ooh, I might max this out. No, maybe next, what's it called? Ooh, what does it want now? Well, I get extra candies. I mean, good enough for me. No matter what. Oh, wait, I gotta check for shinies. Well, that one's missed. R.I.P. Pidgey. Possibly shiny Pidgey. Yeah, I know, even more sadder. And it would be great. I would, like, eventually, I might do a not stream. Well, probably it would have to lead up to that. But I might do, like, cannot stop till I get a shiny. You know? Something like that. And I forgot to put herself up on that. But I mean, hey, could be this video. Because there's a lot of things I could take shiny. Like, this is the perfect event to finish your shiny decks in Kanto. This event would have been so useful if it was, like, you know, right timing, but I've already completed the decks. So it's just like that. Oh, just trying to shoot. I only have one free space, which means I might as well get it. That would have been excellent if it was shiny. You guys probably don't even understand why I am evolving. Or trying to get candies. I think I only need 100. You see? Ah, shoot. Nope, I need 125. That's upsetting. Let's see, in an hour, 45 minutes, I guess, there is Origin Form Palkia that I don't really want, but could take. Something. Oh, it'd also be great if I did a daily adventure instance. Diancie Energy. That I just transferred. You know what? 15 minutes? We can do that. Yeah. I didn't even realize this season didn't have 30. Hey, Galarian Bird chance. Why not? Why not? Affordable. Feels so wrong because Galarian Bird could be at any moment. If I get a bird, because my most recent bird was actually this summer, Galarian Moltres, right before the end of summer. So it was pretty good. Oh, look at that! Another Bulbasaur. That just planned out perfect. I was so worried, and then it gave me what I was looking for. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Nice. And then I think I have a shadow, what's it called? Shadow Ivysaur. 15%. That does not help this. Oh shoot, yeah, I'm meant to be catching this. It's not raining too. They can't tell me. I didn't even know this was a button. I didn't know you could get the base thing. I thought you'd have to get a live stream. Just means better video qualities. Oh yeah. Sorry, but I haven't been talking to Emmy that much, so you haven't been getting enough of Emmy. Let me know if you want Emmy. If not, we'll figure out something. But just let me know. I'll see if comments are possible. They should be. If they're not, I'll just make a short about it. Being like, Noctowl. Being like, which one? Emmy or me? And then, if you guys choose Emmy, I might just give the channel to Emmy. Maybe we'll make it like a Jandel and Sammy fight. Who would we rather? Team Dominic or Team Emmy? We all know who the right choice is, right? Make it sure. Make it sure. Why do I feel like this is an hour of like Weedles? Well, it's not. Pidgey has not been saved. Ow, ow. Oh, giant garage sale. I thought it was something cool. I mean, they for sure did a good job. And I have no shout outs today. I mean, if you want to be, hey, let me know. I will make sure. So if you want to be shouted out, let me know. Actually, I'll probably... Oh my god! Galarian Articuno! What the heck? What the heck? No shiny, but I mean... Oh my god. Oh my god. What? That was... Wow. I can't even speak. That was so unexpected. A great throw. We'll take it. Yeah, probably not. Bye, but dang. And I got that on clip. Oh my god. Whew. That was on a 15-minute too. Oh my god. I hope there's gonna be just like one Pokemon that'll have the ability, but like will cost like 100 candies a second. Like Pokemon Go, if you're listening, get my ideas. Like there's gonna be a fusion Pokemon where it takes 100 candies for 5 minutes of a higher chance to get a Galarian bird. Or like an event. I was gonna say an event until I realized whenever the shiny Galarian birds came out, there was already an event for that. But I mean, that was insane. It's incredible. The Galarian Meowth, which we'll catch. I mean, sick. Even if I don't catch one or don't get a shiny one, I honestly will not care. If I run out of balls, I will be sad. Like, drenchily sad. Like, I might cry. I might cry if I get one. Yeah, I probably will. No promises. No promises. Actually, I don't know why you guys would want that. Fungus. That looked like a shiny Pidgey for you. Alright, cool. It's that Pidgey. It's a lot Pidgey. So, go off, Pidgey. Now we gotta catch Fungus. Oh my god. But I mean, that Galarian... Worst part, I was gonna walk home. I was gonna walk home at that moment. Until I got a Galarian. Yeah, I'm not walking home after that. Can't end it off on a bad, well, good, but also bad. But I mean, first video with Galarian. It's pretty good, guys. You should feel proud of yourself. You made this happen. I think. Were you guys the lucky people to do it? Could I believe in you? But it's a weird thing. I was just like looking like this, talking, and then it spawned. I was like, right here, Then I was looking, and I looked down, and then it spawned. Yeah, just like that. Another bird. Woo! I'm on a bird streak. Yes, you duckling. I think I have a shiny. Yeah, I do have a shiny over here. Let's go. Try and follow. Ooh, there's the lucky man. It's like say his name and here appears. $83. I need 125. Is that close? Is that close? Ooh, Spearow. Actually, I haven't seen this one in a while. Obviously, I don't need it, but I mean, if it's a hundo, I'll take it. You know what hurts me? Whenever I see a Galarian bird, you know what I think? I usually think that, like, what if that's a hundo? Like, it just ran away from me. I can't get that back. Like, what if that was a hundo? You'll never know. 10% is not helping. Oh, Snorlax on the incense.
Hey.
Two, three. Sweet. Snorlax caught. And Snorlax bought. No, just kidding. Imagine. Oh, I should do that. Yeah, if I had like $1 million. Sweet. I'll take some berries. Squirtle. 9%. Oh, but only 3 minutes on the incense. We good. Chansey. I mean, that was incredible, though. I wasn't expecting a Galarian bird. And I'm gonna place the title as we got a bird. But, oh, I hope. And I've still gotta figure out how to make, like, I don't know what they're called. God, I have to figure out what they're called. God, pictures, no, titles? No, picture titles. Title pictures. Whatever, yeah, you get it. When, you know, like whenever you make a video, then you can make like a picture. I'll figure it out. I think I know how to do it, but it's like, do I want to do it? You know? Odd. Bug just hit me. Oddish. Another Magikarp. I hope you guys can see my screen. If not, that would be bad. But I think you guys can. Only 2 minutes left. I like. Well, Charmander works too. My favorite starter, so I mean, I'll count it. Dang. think I only need 20 more candy. Well, probably less now since I just got one, but we get it, we get it. Oh God, I need much more. I need 125. 125. I think it's this guy that I only need 20 more. Well, either way. And of course, that's not. Oh my God. Yes, I was right. No, only 10 more. Ooh, and of course, I only have one. Yeah, that's just great. Good spot. Just a great spot to be in. And of course, yeah, this is just excellent. Walking past Mesquite. That's cool. Don't want to see it tomorrow, but I'm going to. Day of my life. At least I'm graduating this year. I don't have to deal with my school. Am I good? I think it's. Oh, I just passed on a good times. Other route. That was 709. That's a hundo, boys. Let's go. We got a hundo. Got a hundo. Let's go. Let's go. This is a hundo. I feel like I should trick the people who didn't watch this far and like nickname the title. We got a hundo. I'd probably trick my dad. I would. That would be fun. What just happened?